So here we are again with another goalpost changer. Right, see what we have here now is two massive side by side, but when we launch them, obviously there's nothing there. So I've taken the trouble to put a rigid zip tie around it. Obviously the weight before was, I think, 75.2, but we've added a little bit of weight now because we put a zip tie around it. So 70, oh fucking hell, I can't say that. 75.32. And try that again. 75.32. So we've got a little bit of added mass now because we've got a zip tie on there. And now we can launch them side by side and see how your toboggan theory holds up. Right, so the idea now then, obviously we can put this there and launch it so they're going side by side, because the contention is that obviously it won't go the same speed or the same distance. So what we were getting a range of, I think we got 33 and 37.5, and then we got, when we changed it to that orientation, we got 33.5 and 37, so practically no difference. So this will be interesting. Not ideal, obviously, because it's not actually pushing on the probe, it's pushing against the zip tie. I'm just hoping that's going to be rigid enough or not springy enough to affect the results, but we shall see. Oh, so here we are again. Right, so we've got a centre and mass marking there. We'll be launching them again, marking them off. Obviously there'll be a bit of difference. This zip tie might not be ideal, but yeah, in the pursuit of the truth, we shall test this out. What should we call this? Toboggan theory. Just a point there, you know, toboggans probably don't go down the track, you know, as good that way, because it'd be wider than the track, wouldn't it? You know, it's probably get kind of stuck. Alright, launch one. We'll be marking to the centre of mass again, obviously. It's probably going to twist a bit more than before, but it's like half a turn, if that. And obviously they both probes, when obviously I did it, go through that. Surprised you didn't raise that one as a problem. Ooh, all that lost energy in the rotation of half a turn. There we go. Centre mass. Again, centre mass. I don't know how many to do. I don't know how many is really necessary to do, but just to prove the point, but maybe 10. Centre mass. Pencil around the centre mass. Obviously these are all quite rough measurements, but you know, there is actually some measuring going on, you know, rather than just going, looks like, seems like. How many is that? Oh, I don't know. Do a few more. We can just measure the range. Obviously I'll have to pause for the range, you know, because that's when I'm going to do all my shenanigans. And when I pause, I'll probably put a new sheet of paper in and, you know, fake all the results, like, you know, because I'm part of this grand conspiracy. But anyway, as you can see, this is all being filmed in one take. So warts and all, you know. Sometimes it goes a little bit further. Ooh, sometimes it goes, oh bollock. Fuck that one off. Well, I'll just choose that one. Yeah, again, so I'm not hiding anything. Centre mass. There. Should do a couple more, just for good luck. I think Toboggan Theory is dead in the water here. Oh, we'll do one more then. I'll pause to do all the, you know, fakery. The thing is now, I think you've actually realised that the half mass only goes that distance it goes and gives obviously that ratio. So now you're trying to contrive a way to make this one go slower to make the ratio, you know, come out nearer to your prediction, which isn't correct. But anyway, I mean, actually looking at that, we've got a high one, a low one, and then we've got all these sort of very consistent ones, haven't we, around this area. So I'll pause, we'll measure up and see where we're at. Right, so we're back. So measuring obviously from the centre now. We've got a range of minimum 32.5, so a little bit shorter, and maximum was roughly 37.3, so almost exactly the fricking same. And if we're on the average of the last one, and I did all the averages, it averaged out at 35.5, and if we look, obviously there's as minimum and maximum. Also, I'm not going to add all these up now, it's a waste of time for falling on deaf ears, isn't it? But if we look at 35.5 on there, obviously I can capture it very well there, but roughly 35.5 is bang in the middle of these two readings, which is again like the average we got before. So I'm afraid Toboggan Theory is dead. It just ain't having it. So yeah, makes absolutely no difference yet again.